Hey guys, I'm from Blackpool Honda here. Here we have our crystal black Civic SE. This car's a 1.6 diesel. With it being the SE, it does come with these 17-inch tyres and wheels, all of which are diamond cut with black infills. Of course, we've got the black coloured door mirrors. We've also got the rear alloy just here. I'll go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they're all in. We've got the rear parking sensors. Of course, this car does not have privacy glass, so in the boot, where there is plenty of room in here, where the seats also fold 60-40 split, there is a privacy shelf that pulls across just like so. And of course, you can lift up the boot floor to enable more room down there. Moving around again, showing the rear alloy just here. And of course, now moving into the rear of the vehicle, you can see we have the cloth black seats just there, and of course the Isofix mounting points with the electric window just there. Of course, in the front of the vehicle we have all 4 controls for the windows, all of which are automatic, your window lock, central locking and electric adjustment for the wing mirrors. We've also got your traction control, parking sensors, lane assist, collision assist and your headlight aim just there. Inside the vehicle you can see we have your electric handbrake just there with brake hold, econ and stop starts just there, and of course your 6-speed gearbox is there. We've got climate control, and of course we have your various sources for your media. There's USB, Bluetooth, and on the radio there is DAB, LW, MW, FM, and of course we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free just there. We've also got a multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control, distance control and speed limiter just there with your lane assist. We've also got your Bluetooth hands-free, volume, and obviously your onboard computer controls, automatic headlights, windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 21,489 miles. Moving back outside onto the last remaining alloy now. Of course, this car does also come with front parking sensors. And if you require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video on this car. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.